Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me zoom you guys out. It's a bit up close and personal for me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this makeup and hair tutorial. It's like a soft glam summer makeup and hair kind of thing. I just straightened it because in summer my hair gets so frizzy, it's a joke, so curling it ain't pretty. I'm not gonna do too long of an intro because I'm sick and tired of my beauty guru intros, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, post notification bell, social medias are in the description box. I'm also gonna do another video on how I style my outfits for summer. I was gonna put that in here as well, but I was like, no, I think I should do a whole nother video for that. But yeah, if you're excited for that, stay tuned because I'll definitely be filming that soon. Without further ado, let's just get on with me showing you guys how I did this makeup and hair. Right, let's go. Yes, subscribe. Bye. Jesus. I'm gonna try and make this like around 10 minutes, but it's me, so I could end up talking way too much, so yay. I'm gonna start off with foundation. Don't look at the patchy fake tan. I was supposed to fake tan, today's Monday, I was supposed to fake tan on Friday night, I think, and then Saturday night, and I still haven't done it. This is my Too Faced foundation in the shade Sand. Probably will be way too dark for me because my fake tan is gone, so I'm gonna use it anyway. I've already moisturized, by the way. I should have really like put in the hoop earrings afterwards. And also, if this ear looks swollen and red, that's because it is red and swollen. I don't like leaving it without an earring in, so I put in this old little like Cartier diamond earring thing in it. The back on it's really rusty. Yeah, no, if you do it too tight then you can't get it out, so I basically just ripped it out my ear about 5 minutes ago. I really want to stick on lashes today because I haven't actually stuck on a strip lash in probably about a year. Actually, no, that's such a lie. Probably like 6 months ago was the last time I wore a strip lash. What the hell is that toothpaste? I've got toothpaste on my leg, guys. I'm just trying to cover up my moles because I don't like my moles. And also my mirror is here. I don't know what I was trying to, oh, there, you can kind of see it in the corner, but I'm looking in the mirror. I know I'm still gonna get comments about it. Okay, that's blended in. I've already been filming for 4 minutes, so this is definitely gonna be a 10-minute makeup tutorial. No, I just talk too much. If you actually were in a rush, you could probably do this in 10 minutes. Haven't quite figured out what I'm gonna do yet, but guessing you could do it in 10 minutes. I'm also taking some of my NARS concealer, and that was my... turn my phone on silent. Yeah, by the way, this is my Too Faced concealer and I'm just gonna blend it out with some of my NARS concealer. Let's just blend this out. I'm just using my beauty blender for everything because it looks so much better than a brush. Sometimes I'll use a brush for foundation, but I never ever use brushes for my concealer because I just don't like the way that it looks, to be honest. Like, I don't mind the way brushes look with foundation, but I just think with concealer, because they're like slightly thicker, when you use a brush, sometimes you accidentally put on too much product. It doesn't like take any of it off. But with a beauty blender, it kind of absorbs some of it, so if you do go a bit ham, it takes some of it off, you know? Okay, and then I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier powder. I normally take my glow powder at the moment, as you guys know, but I'm just gonna use the normal one. I've been obsessed with listening to Hannah Montana when I'm getting ready recently because you know how she like transforms from Miley into Hannah? I feel like when I do my makeup, I transform from like a 2 to like a 7 maybe. I just really relate to her, I feel like. Not saying that Miley Cyrus is a 2 and Hannah Montana is like a 7. Hannah Montana is like a freaking 100. Actually, I prefer Hannah to Miley, I'm not gonna lie, so Miley Cyrus like a 99 we'll give her. I just love Hannah Montana. Like, it was my favorite Disney show. Let me know in the comments what your favorite Disney show is because mine was 100% Hannah Montana. I'm gonna take whatever excess powder we have just like on the bum of my beauty blender and just take it over the rest of my face. I'm setting my eyelids as well because it's easier to blend, okay? I kind of want to do like a natural glam kind of thing. I'm gonna take my James Charles palette to start off with and I'm gonna go in with, I reckon, this one, and this like mac and cheese type shade. I want to do like a soft glam kind of like bronzy thing, but not too much. I'm gonna take this quite high up in my crease. I love the James Charles palette so much. I know James Charles has been involved in a little bit of tea recently. What are your guys' thoughts on that? I'm not gonna lie, I know this is gonna cause some controversy, but I am 100% team James. Even after Tati made her first video, I was still team James because it sounded all a bit fishy to me, I'm not gonna lie. And I just thought it was really, like, I felt really bad how suddenly like 5 million people could just like turn on him, do you know what I mean? You know, you haven't even let the poor boy speak and you're saying all this. Like, at the end of the day, Tati was saying that they fell out because he was saying this to boys, but why does that have anything to do with that? I know, I'm not saying that that's okay in any way, like, trying to like trick straight boys into being gay, I think that's really wrong and I don't think that's what James was doing either. Either way, that's not her place to put it on the internet. But anyway, I'm just still blending that through my crease because I don't want to get in shit for this tea. I think the tea's kind of over those. In the outer corner, I'm focusing on more on using the darker shade that was through the crease. The bigger pan one, the darker, bigger pan. I'm now going in with the Morphe, what is this, M433. I'm going in with the one along, which is slightly darker. I'm just going to take that into the outer corner, like along my lash line kind of. Create like a smoky effect. And I'm sorry to say that you're living in the past. I'm the idiot that I couldn't see what's underneath. When I'm genuinely getting ready, I normally have about about 5 different eyeshadow palettes in front of me, and they're like, why do you have so many eyeshadows? Why do you need that much? Like, you have about 100 different eyeshadow palettes. Why do you still go out and buy new ones? Because you can probably create any look with like one of these palettes. And I'm like, sis, like, you just can't. I'm going in with like a dark brown shade along my lash line. I don't think I own any single eyeshadow palette that has every shade that I want in there. I'm gonna quickly grab another palette to see if I can find the eyeshadow that I want to use in there. So I actually grabbed my Makeup Geek eyeshadow palette thing. It's customized. I'm not gonna show you guys because it's ugly, really crusty, busty. I think I'm gonna use the shade, I don't know what it's called, Untamed, which is a foiled eyeshadow with Magic Act, which is another foiled eyeshadow. Gold shades. There we go. It works so much better with a finger. That's what she said. She never said that. Oh my god, that looks so pretty. What? I'm obsessed with this makeup. Yo, what the hell? Oh my god, tell me this isn't stunning. That eyelid shade is stunning. Okay, right. I'm gonna take a little bit of this black eyeliner and just run it along my lash line. I'm gonna smoke it out with this little brush. I haven't spoken for ages and I literally feel like an awkward silence is happening between me and you guys right now. But I'm just trying to blend. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly do my brows and eyelashes. Like, by that I just mean some mascara. I might stick on a pair of lashes. I haven't decided yet, but I'm gonna be back with you guys in like 5 minutes. Guys, I stuck on a pair of lashes because I felt like it. Also, I got mascara on my nose. What do you think? Let's keep going, baby. So I'm gonna go on to skin now. I'm gonna take this bronzer. This bronzer is so good. Like, definitely get it if you can. It's the Marc Jacobs Tantric bronzer and it's huge as well. So it will last you forever. I just love it. Like, it's probably my favorite bronzer that I've ever bought, and that's like a big statement because I've had a lot of favorite bronzers over my time. Okay, so I just took that all over my face. I like taking my bronzer on my nose as well. I don't know why. A lot of people probably don't like that, but I like doing it. A lot of people take blush on their nose now, I think, right? Anyway, I'm gonna go in with my Sub-Zero palette, which is so good, by the way, guys. Definitely get your hands on it if you can. Taking the shade Body Oddy Oddy, which is like the dark one, and I'm taking that over the top. It's like a little bit of a sheen. I actually quite like these lashes. These are Lily lashes in the style Goddess. They used to be my favorite when I wore lashes, so I was like, might as well try them again. I'm taking Lifestyle from the Sub-Zero Glow Kit for my highlighter. I'm gonna spray my brush. What the hell? That's never happened before. What the frick? Do you guys see that? I'm gonna try and get that off my face 1 minute. I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever highlighter instead. Why is this one now doing it as well? Are my highlighters just hating me today or something? What? Why are my highlighters hating me today? I'm just gonna go with it because I don't know what else to do, really. I then use a third fucking highlighter, but maybe not today. Actually, maybe. I'm gonna go in with Ofra's Rodeo Drive. Yeah, I'm going in with Talon Glow Blush by Matte. It's like a sparkly, like this, basically. I can't get over how disgusting that highlighter looks. Yay. I'm actually gonna spray my face quick. This is my Too Faced thing. Best setting spray ever. Okay, I'm gonna take this brush and now take the Makeup Forever highlighter on my nose and pray that it looks all right there. I'm going in with Cocoa Bear by Makeup Geek and I'm just gonna run that under my eye. This was supposed to be a 10-minute makeup tutorial. See, this is my issue. You know what? I'm gonna change the name. It's not gonna be 10 minutes. It's gonna be Summer Glam Makeup and Hair Tutorial. That's what the name of it's gonna be. That's the look she wanted. Yes, God. Now I'm gonna put on lower lash mascara. I'm just gonna use this Snap Mascara by Maybelline, even though it's basically run out. Okay. Let's do these lips. We are starting off with this. This is my favorite thing at the moment. Huda Beauty Demi Matte Lip thing in the shade Feminist. You would expect, because it's like a demi matte, for it to like come off really quick, but it lasts so long if you don't put a lip gloss over the top of it. But I'm probably gonna put a lip gloss over the top of it today. And it's not completely matte. It will dry down a little bit, but not a lot. It's a really nice finish. It doesn't dry your lips out at all. Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Milkshake. I just blended them together with my finger and now I've got lipstick all over my fucking finger. And now I'm gonna go in with Jouer Lip Topper in the shade Skinny Dip. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this Sub-Zero Glow Kit again. I'm just gonna take Body Oddy Oddy all over my chesticle area because, as we all know, as I've told you a million times, I've had a bit of a fake tan. This is not helping because I'm wearing a sports bra, so I can't get it under the strap, and it's turning me orange. It's turning me orange. Come on, Kirsty, we can do this and not turn orange. So for hair...
Well, I just got lipstick in it, I think.
So for hair, let's show you my hair in, yeah, that. I normally like to straighten it in summer because my hair goes like frizzy in summer. So when it's curly, it just makes it go so much worse. So I'm going to quickly go and like re-straighten it. So I went out for dinner yesterday, so it's already straightened. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and re-straighten it quickly and then I'll be back with you guys. Okay, guys, here is the final look. Ooh, let me pull up my top. I straightened my hair. I was gonna actually show you guys how I like style my outfit and stuff, but I think I'm gonna do a whole nother video for that. So let me know in the comments if you would want that. But that is it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy, remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you are new here, turn my post notification bell as well. That way you don't miss any of my uploads. If you want to follow me on my social medias, they are all in the description box. So feel free to check those out as well. And yeah, I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, love you. Mwah.